Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
Listen to the questions and answers and improve your English. What's your name?
My name is Jasmine.
How old are you?
I am 17 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from London.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is green.
Do you like music?
Yes, I like music.
What do you like to do for fun?
I like to read books and watch movies for fun.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 2 siblings.
What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a cat.
Can you swim?
No, I can't swim.
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm today.
What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
What's your favorite food?
I really like burger.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Tarzan.
How do you go to school?
I go to school by bus.
What's your favorite subject in school?
My favorite subject is English.
Can you dance?
Yes, I can dance a little.
What's your favorite fruit?
I really like strawberry.
What did you do yesterday?
Yesterday, I played with my friends.
What's your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is reading books.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is English.
How many people are in your family?
There are 4 people in my family.
Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can ride a bike.
What's your favorite school subject?
I really like English.
What's your favorite game?
I love playing hide and seek.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I love ice cream.
What's your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is cricket.
What's your favorite place to go?
My favorite place to go is the zoo.
Can you draw?
Yes, I can draw a little bit.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a doctor.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I like traveling to new places.
What's your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Christmas.
What's your favorite type of music?
I like remix music.
Do you like school?
Yes, I like going to school.
What's your favorite kind of candy?
My favorite candy is chocolate.
Do you have a favorite superhero?
Yes, my favorite superhero is Superman.
What's your favorite cartoon character?
My favorite cartoon character is Tom and Jerry.
Do you like rainy days?
Yes, I like staying indoors on rainy days.
What's your favorite fruit juice?
My favorite fruit juice is mango juice.
What's your favorite school subject?
I like English class.
Do you like to draw?
Yes, I enjoy drawing pictures.
What's your favorite board game?
My favorite board game is Candyland.
What's your favorite thing to do on weekends?
I like playing at the park on weekends.
Do you like to read books?
Yes, I enjoy reading storybooks.
What's your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is chocolate cake.
Do you have a favorite toy?
Yes, my favorite toy is my teddy bear.
What's your favorite kind of burger?
I like cheeseburger.
What's your favorite game to play with friends?
I like playing tag with my friends.
Do you like to go to the beach?
Yes, I love building sand castles at the beach.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I like animals, especially cats.
What's your favorite thing to do in the summer?
I enjoy swimming in the pool.
Do you like vegetables?
Some vegetables are okay, like carrots.
What's your favorite type of cookie?
I like chocolate chip cookies.
Do you like to help your parents?
Yes, I like helping with chores.
What's your favorite time of day?
I like the afternoon when I can play outside.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I like dancing to music.
What's your favorite holiday activity?
I like decorating the Christmas tree.
Do you like to play in the snow?
Yes, I love building snowmen.
Do you like to color pictures?
Yes, I enjoy coloring with crayons.
What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is banana juice.
Do you like to watch cartoons?
Yes, I like watching cartoons on TV.
What's your favorite type of shoe?
I like wearing sneakers.
What's your favorite game to play at home?
I like playing hide and seek at home.
Do you like to play with toys?
I like playing with my toys.
Do you like to help cook dinner?
Yes, I like helping in the kitchen.
What's your favorite thing to do on a rainy day?
I like staying inside and reading books.
What's your favorite kind of ice cream?
I like mango ice cream.
Do you like to watch birds?
Yes, I like watching birds in the park.
Do you like to help water the plants?
Yes, I like helping in the garden.
What's your favorite thing to do before bed?
I like reading a bedtime story before sleeping.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe Yes Kids channel.